Feeling like your mind's running on 1,000 tabs? Hit pause. In this video, we're unlocking 5 genius Amazon finds that help you reset, relax, and take control of your inner peace without booking a retreat in Bali.
What if your breath could become your superpower? This visual breathing companion is designed for both beginners and seasoned mindfulness explorers. Whether you're managing stress at work or winding down before sleep, its fade-in, fade-out color prompts guide you through scientifically backed breathing patterns like the 4-7-8 calming breath, box breathing, and balance breath. Choose from a variety of soothing models: Buddha, Sloth, Pebble, with or without sound, depending on your style. It's app-free, screen-free, and made of soft silicone that feels as good as it looks on your desk or nightstand. Even kids can use it to learn how to relax and reset. Whether you're navigating daily anxiety, struggling to stay present, or simply wanting to develop a wellness routine, this gadget becomes your visual anchor to calm. Tap the link below and start building your breathing habit in just minutes a day.
Stress flows out. Peace flows in. Forget noisy distractions. This compact fountain turns any space into a serene sanctuary. Inspired by Asian design, the 3-tiered leaf structure lets water cascade smoothly over real river rocks into a deep basin, providing gentle sound therapy that rivals your best spa experience. The built-in quiet pump ensures continuous flow, while its subtle lighting creates a warm ambiance perfect for meditation, yoga, sleep, or simply winding down after a demanding day. No techie hassle, just plug it in and find your center. Ideal for offices, bedrooms, or even a nursery, it adds beauty and tranquility that helps you detach from the chaos of modern life. Check the link below. Your personal oasis starts here.
Reset your spine. Revive your energy. If you're feeling the toll of hours on screens, poor posture, or stiff neck muscles, this device is your secret weapon. In just 10 minutes a day, it uses ergonomic curvature to stretch and realign your cervical spine, restoring the natural C shape and reducing pressure buildup. Made from dense memory foam, it provides firm but gentle support and works on any hard surface, floor, yoga mat, or even a desk break. Most users feel noticeable relief in just a few days, though it takes time for the neck to adjust to the therapeutic curve. It's not an ordinary pillow. It's a portable chiropractor that fits in your backpack. Buy it today, because comfort shouldn't be postponed.
This is motion with meaning, meditation in every move. This mesmerizing tabletop device uses kinetic magic to draw ever-changing hypnotic patterns into fine sand. Not just decor, it's meditation visualized in real time. And the best part? You control everything via its app, from pattern style to RGB lighting and carving speed. Constructed from real bamboo, it blends natural aesthetics with futuristic calm. You get instant stress relief just by watching it flow, and you can even build your own custom sand art playlists. Whether as a gift or personal retreat, the Oasis Mini is like a moving canvas for your mind. Treat your space to the magic of mindfulness, available now.
A glowing orb that senses your stress and teaches your body to let go. This advanced wellness gadget uses fingertip sensors to track your stress levels in real time and guides you back to balance using gentle lighting and guided exercises. It's the fusion of tech and therapy, with its app offering visualization modes, calming audio, and a personal progress dashboard. Whether you're managing anxiety, ADHD, or simply seeking better sleep and clarity, the Orb is your pocket-sized mentor. Each purchase includes a full year of personalized training, access to community insights, and evolving meditative content. Ideal for anyone looking to master emotional regulation in a chaotic world through the power of touch and light. Start your journey to peace with the Orb. Link in description.
Life gets chaotic, but these gadgets bring peace to your fingertips. If you want more tech that upgrades your soul, hit subscribe and share this with someone who needs a deep breath today.